everybody. This is our newest project, 1968 Chevy Impala fastback. Original 307 car. Motor's in it, but it's no good. We're picking it up from our favorite salvage yard.
Taking it out of the hole.
No idea how long it's been here, but our goal is to get it running by September, so to drive it to a car show in another city about an hour away. So we'll see what happens. It looks a lot better out of the hole.
It does.
So, got a power glide in it. It's going to keep a power glide in it. We're going to keep it stock with a small block. Bench seat car, column shift. Wasn't anything super special. But as you can see, she needs some love. I mean, it's an old 68. We got some parts for it. There's another 68 out here we're getting parts off of while we're here. You're hitting over here.
Okay, stop. That's all we got there. Straighten that wheel. Hold on. That's not all we got there.
That's probably good. Brakes are locked up on it like everything we've ever picked up. I don't think we've picked up a car yet that did not have locked up brakes. Walk you around it a little bit. Nice, Ed.
don't care about the bumper, right?
No. Bench seat car. I mean, nothing fancy, but 68 Impala fastback. You don't see a lot of them anymore.
Should we try to keep these wheels straight? Yeah.
Needs about everything.
We're gonna try to guide those wheels straight while you're.
You want to jump on that side?
Yep.
That's good.
Up, up. Perfect. She'll ride.
Oh, there it is, ladies and gentlemen.
She'll ride.
Our 1968 Impala fastback. Those are Brian Rowley's. He's
Pause really quick. We need to pay him.
There's the car, and here's some of the parts donor. They coming out okay?
Yep.
This fender's a little rough, but try to find a 68 Impala fender. It's impossible. We already grabbed the front valance, or header panel, I mean.
The hood and the gas tank.
The hood, the gas tank.
Rear bumper.
Hood's sitting up there. It's got one dent at the back, as you can see. Rear bumper I still got to finish yanking off, but it's loose. Is that longer ratchet helping?
Yeah.
It's really a shame about this car because this was a factory SS car. What the?
What the?
Pick that up. I'd blast that hood a little bit too.
I'm going to.
That grill, it's got a little dinger right there, but nothing terrible.
We know where there's another grill. That other one on the pink car was perfect.
I bet you my power washer at home would remove most of that paint. We got all this stuff loaded up.
Back around and get the balance off of that other side.
She's a little rough, but definitely worth saving.
Windshield big. That's that.
No. On a 68, never. We all good?
Looks a lot better.
Looks a lot better.
You get all the moss off, so yeah.
That's the main thing.
Sucks.